Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a review of a new course that's launched called Easy Side Profits. This course is a method who is looking for a new hustle or a new stream of income. This method can give you more money in a day, about $25 to $75. But before I continue this review, if you want to purchase this product, then you can see the link under this video, and by purchasing through this video or the link under this video, you can get new bonuses from me, an exclusive one that can boost your online marketing or online income. So let's continue. This method you can see from this screenshot of their PayPal account. The income is fluctuative between $25 to $75 in a day, but this is something good for you if you're especially if you're new in this online marketing or online making money. If you want to purchase this product today, it's only cost you $7.97, and if you buy later, they will cost you about $37 for this course. So I suggest you to buy it now or today before the price goes up. This product is launched or made by these two guys, Simple Spencer and Brad Hitchcock. If you're tired of any theory or methods in the internet to make money online, then this course or method is suitable for you, because it doesn't you don't have to give so much effort in this. Just follow their steps and you will gain more money in daily basis. This method is unique, so you don't have many competitors, because something unique in this internet is like a gold mine. And also this program has 100% risk-free guarantee. It means that in 30 days, if you feel that this course has no benefit for you or you don't gain any money in this course, you can ask for money back or refund. Why I suggest you to buy this product is because you can get the result in fast, in about 24 to 48 hours, and it is 100% newbie friendly method, proven and fully tested, easy to do and quickly making fun to do. As I say before, the price will going up to $37 if you skip today for purchasing this product. Maybe that's my review about this product. And once again, I said, if you want to get my exclusive bonuses, you can get the bonuses by purchasing this product through the link under or below this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you. Thank you.